Thank you, Jordan. Mother Nature unleashed in Moulton. Lightning struck an apartment building in Lawrence County, sparking a fire and causing plenty of damage, making the units absolutely unlivable. Our team coverage of today's storms continues. Fox 54's Gabe Glassman spoke with family members of one person who lost their home to the fire.
Destruction lies all around me, and it was caused by a singular lightning strike. Thankfully, nobody was home in this apartment at the time.
That was the first thing that ran across my mind was, Lord, I hope nobody got hurt.
Alicia and Bianca are the sisters of Lauren McLean, who actually lives in the damaged apartment. She and her family were not home at the time of the scary incident.
It didn't cross my mind that, in fact, they were not there. They were out of town. But just the thought of them being in there, like, you don't think they're not in there.
When lightning struck the Fieldstone apartment
Emily,
building, all these
weather.
two sisters could think about was the well-being of their family and others.
I was devastated. I was in shock. I'm more so just scared for the people, not only my sister apartment complex, but everyone that lives here, because we all have children, it's small children that live here.
All of a sudden, I heard this big boom, and I kind of felt a little lightheaded at first. I come out, and everybody said that they was running this away, saying it was on fire. And
Davy Adam Douglas is the next door neighbor. His place also saw damage, but as he points out, the loss of material things can't be compared to the possible loss of life.
It could have been a lot worse. Just thank God that we have what we got left, and just got to be thankful for that.
Material things, an apartment complex can be fixed, but lives is gone forever. The apartment is destroyed, but no one is hurt. Everyone was able to still leave with their families and still hug them.
A member of the Moulton Fire Department says power has been cut off to the two damaged apartments. From Lawrence County, Gabe Glassman, Fox 54 News.
Glad everyone is okay coming out of that. Well, a GoFundMe has been set up by the homeowners, and within the first 2 hours, $1,000 raised. The link to that GoFundMe is on fox54.com.